So makita kong paraan nasaan eh. Dress na color blue, puting princess. So makita ko ani. Bye guys, see you later.
Hi guys, I just want to Uniqlo doon sa wish list ni Ate Grace, Forever 21, and I'm trying to go to Forever 21 just for them to think na siya ang nabunot ko and all. To be honest, ang nabunot ko is si Kuya Joshua.
Hey guys, I'm here at Forever 21 because I'm looking for a gift for Frenilyn. So, bibuto na itong Forever 21. Balik ko sa department store. Napagitaw na ko ang fleece blanket since favorite ta ni ate. And let's see kung may mahanap tayo na favorite color niya. Okay, bye! So guys, I was actually looking for this. Pero I don't think this is what Frenilyn's style. So, I'll find another one. And here, ito din, isa din ito sa aking mga gustong nataypan. And paired it with shorts. But we'll see. Baka maghanap pa ako sa iba.
Oh shit, my sister is here. It's crazy. Hi! Whatever.
Okay, first stop guys. Natabi sa home section is favorite ni ate ang fleece blanket. I don't know if ganahan siya sa color kay ang pinakadako is so dako pod, which is available ang pink. Ang pink yung gusto, so I don't know.
Spotted. Baby deer spotted.
Okay guys, we'll look for another store. So, punta muna tayo sa next store. Up is Terranova. So guys, here at Pen Shop. Tapos, here is my perspective na paliton because she wants a dark one. Tapos, I'm gonna pair it with a short if I'll find one. Let's try Forever 21. Let's see if may makita tayo dito guys. First choice. Oh my God. Okay, next stop guys is Bench. Guys, wala din akong nakita sa Bench. Let's try sa ngayon naman ako sa SM department store. Let's see kung may mahanap ako sa department store. So guys, dito magsulod for the next store. Let's see kung may mahanap ako na size niya here because I want to buy yung pair actually. Guys, wala ko yung mahanap here. So, let's check for another store. So, guys, checking in here sa department store. Tara!
Then, wrapping up my gift to Tita Frenzy. So, money siya. Hindi ko napalit.
Okay, first purchase, guys, is sa Micaela.
Joshua, ako nakikita mo to. Nahihirapan ako. Torture gift. Maligod ko sa inuhot eh. Yun, nasuroy na nakuta ng stall. Pero yun, like, dili lang sa Deck Store. Nasunod na nakuta ng brands. Hi, Kuya! This is for you. Ayan, Kuya, I already have it na. Only one na lang umbrella. Ang isa. Call a friend.
I need a friend, bro. Okay, final product na paliton. This one. Royal Linens. A fleece blanket.
Nag-over the budget pero love ko si ate. So, here we go! Tata! This is your gift!
Guys, nakapalit ako ng regalo ni Frenelyn. I'm ready! So, ano siya? Top and shorts. Pang airport niya. Sa aming next travel.
Hi guys! So since nag-call a friend me, na-finish na mi both. For recap, for kuya. So muna siya. This one and charan! Micaela! Mo lang yun ang maano kuya. Ay, sa 1,000 and everything.
Hi guys! Nakapalit ako gift for Frenelyn. Here sa bench. So, excited na for our Christmas party. At safely. Bye!
Hey guys! Nakapalit na gift finally! How about that then? My final purchase is the fleece blanket and a payong. Yan lang. Bye!
So guys, magsugod namin sa aming exchange gift challenge. So, I'm excited to give this gift to Frenelyn.
Yes! So, ako nagunutan is si Kuya Joshua!
Yeah, so this gift is for Tata Francie. Ulang yun, ulang din siya.
Regalo ko din for my favorite ate. Favorite ate!
Ano like ate ko?
Cookies. Ano siya yung kiss ko?
As Kuya and Ate Grace! Here's your mama, but the very next day you gave it away. Oh yeah!